Zombie apocalypse.
What's up guys, so here we are with a new tutorial and I'm not gonna take a lot of time from you, so let's do this in less than 5 minutes if we can. So after some research I've discovered that panzoid.com offers you the easiest way to do this. So you have the link in the description below, and once here just browse from the templates that they are offering. There are many, so for sure you will find something that suits you. And just open this, let's say in Clipmaker over here. And now once you press this red eye over here and press play, usually it should work. Let's try to get another one. I don't know, let's try to get this one and make it work. So the red eye here and press play. There you go. So now it works. Once you've done that, once you selected the favorite clip, just go to the basics, and I would recommend you to select the resolution that you're actually doing the recordings. In my case it's 4K 60 FPS, and the length I would recommend you to keep it to, let's say, 10 seconds, because you don't want to annoy anyone before your video actually starts. Now most of the magic happens here, where you replace the text. So instead of this ones, you just put the text that you want, and then you can play with the height, with the size, with the thickness, with you know, you can rotate, you can scale it, you can change the color to whatever, and so on. So it's not hard to do. You just need to be curious. That's it. And then you can test it with the same you know, with the same thing that you did in the beginning, and blah blah blah. Let's go further. Now we have this one. This most of the thing that is doing is positioning the camera from which you're gonna see the animation. So if you want to see it from the left, from the right, you have here the rotation, the position, the shake of the animation. Let's say you can do more shaky to be, you see, to have more movement, and yeah, you have many options. Same as I was saying earlier, you have to be curious. Then you have the audio. Another cool stuff here is that you can select your own file. So let's say if you have a jingle, you have something that you created, you have your own original file, you can select it and just you know, upload it here, and it's gonna be used as the jingle. And then it's very straightforward. Here in this section, it's should be called different, not download, because you're not actually is in the render section. I would recommend you to go for good quality or extreme quality. Now you can leave the format as it is, MKV, because most of the players out there will read this format. Now you just simply press start video render, and it's gonna take you a few minutes depending on your settings. And once that is done, you will get something like this. Download your video, and the video will start after a few seconds to download. So this is it. This is a simple way to do it, and you don't need to be an expert in web design or this kind of things. Anyway, thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.